Good morning, candidates. Micah, October 2020. First female golfer from Germany, Sofia Popov, wins Women's British Open. MS Dhoni and Suresh Raina quits international cricket. Nina Roy is the author of a book titled Amazing Ayodhya. Nina Roy is the author of the book titled Amazing Ayodhya. Girish Chandra Murmu has assumed office as the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Ashok Lavasa named as the new Vice President of the Asian Development Bank. Indian Sunil Chetri was voted as the favorite player of the 2019 AFC Asian Cup by fans. Dr. Sunil Kumar Vupala, an IIT Roorkee alumnus, has won the Zinov Award 2020. Zinov Award 2020. Dr. Sunil Kumar Vupala. Jordan Henderson is voted Player of the Year by Football Writers. I'm going to talk about one-liners, first page. One-liners. Persons in news. Recently, Riva Ganguly Das was appointed by the government as the Secretary East in the Ministry of External Affairs. She is the High Commissioner to which country? Bangladesh. Recently, who has been appointed by Tata AIA Life Limited as its Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer? Naveen Tagilyani. Naveen Tagilyani. Recently, Michael Martin has been elected. Michael Martin has been elected as new Prime Minister of which country? Ireland. Who has been given the additional charge of Madhya Pradesh as its governor? Anandiben Patel. Who has taken over as the new Inspector General of BSF South Bengal Frontier? Ashwini Kumar Singh. Recently, Lazarus Chakwera has become the new president of which country? Malawi. Recently, Gudni T.H. Johansson has been re-elected as president of which country? Iceland. Recently, who has taken charge as the new chief executive officer of Central Board of Film Certification? Central Board of Film Certification. The answer is Ravinder Bakar. Ravinder Bakar. Recently, who has taken charge as the new chairman of Indian Oil Corporation? Shrikant Madhav Vaidya. Who has taken over as new director of state-owned gas utility GAIL India Limited? E.S. Ranganathan. Edouard Philippe has resigned from his post. He was Prime Minister of which country? France. Recently, Andrzej Duda has been re-elected as President of which country? Poland. Padma Shri Award winning veteran Gujarati journalist, columnist, writer, political analyst Nagin Das Sanghvi passed away, and he was awarded Padma Shri in which year? 2019. He passed away recently. He was awarded Padma Shri in 2019. Good. Awards. Recently, who was honored with President's Award in Singapore for nurses for serving on the front line during COVID pandemic. Kala Narayanaswamy. NTPC Limited has been awarded with the prestigious CII, Confederation of Indian Industries, ITC Sustainability Award. Chairman and MD of NTPC, Gurdeep Singh. Recently, which IIT has developed an ultraviolet sanitizing device named Smartphone Operated Handy Ultraviolet Disinfection Helper Shuddha, IIT Kanpur. Recently, who has won 2020 Dada Saheb Phalke Award for documentary named Chi Lupo? Kezong D. Thong Dok. Kezong D. Thong Dok, who has been honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award of Mohan Bagan Athletic Club, Ashok Kumar. Recently, who has been awarded by the Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity, Greta Thunberg. Greta Thunberg. Recently, who has been conferred with the Professor C. Mahalanobis Award in Official Statistics for Lifetime Achievement, C. Rangarajan. So I will stop with this. Let this be the first one. I will continue for other points in the next video. Thank you.